Box image specifications for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro have leaked, revealing a major upgrade in DJI's compact camera lineup. The device features a dual camera system, enabling both near and far cinematic shots for more flexible storytelling. It is powered by an enhanced 1-inch CMOS sensor with an impressive 17-stop dynamic range, improving performance in low light and delivering richer detail in highlights and shadows. The version we're looking at today is the standard combo. As expected, DJI keeps the packaging clean, compact, and professional. The box follows the familiar DJI design language, with a simple presentation and protective outer wrapping. Once the seal is removed and the package is opened, the Pocket 4 Pro is neatly displayed alongside its included accessories. One of the first things you'll notice is the carrying pouch. DJI continues to include a compact protective case that makes transporting the camera easy during travel or everyday use. It's lightweight, pocket-friendly, and provides enough protection to keep the camera safe while on the move. Looking further inside the box, we find several accessories included with the standard package. One interesting addition is a small fill light accessory. This could be extremely useful for creators who frequently film indoors, at night, or in challenging lighting conditions. Vloggers and social media creators will especially appreciate having extra lighting without needing to carry larger external lights. DJI also includes the standard extension handle. This accessory serves multiple purposes. It provides a more comfortable grip, supports charging while filming, and allows users to attach additional accessories. The handle can also be mounted on a tripod, making it useful for stationary shots, time lapses, or hands-free recording. Another practical improvement is DJI's refined accessory and storage system. The Pocket 4 Pro appears designed to make managing accessories and memory cards easier while maintaining the compact form factor that the Pocket series is known for. Now let's talk about the camera itself. According to the available specifications, the main camera features a large 1-inch image sensor capable of capturing detailed photos and high-quality video. The primary lens uses an f2.0 aperture, helping it gather more light and deliver strong image quality in a variety of shooting conditions. However, the biggest upgrade this year is the new dual camera system. The primary camera uses a 20mm equivalent focal length, providing a wide field of view that's ideal for travel videos, landscapes, vlogging, and everyday content creation. Alongside it is a dedicated telephoto camera featuring a 60mm equivalent focal length and a bright f1.7 aperture. This secondary lens allows for better portraits, improved subject separation, and much more flexible framing options compared to relying solely on digital zoom. On the front of the camera, DJI has also added a magnetic filter mounting system. This allows users to quickly attach ND filters, CPL filters, and other lens accessories. These filters can help improve image quality in difficult lighting situations and give creators more creative control over their footage. When powering on the Pocket 4 Pro, the familiar DJI Gimbal startup sequence immediately grabs attention. The camera smoothly rotates and stabilizes itself within seconds, demonstrating the precision of its 3-axis mechanical gimbal system. The user interface looks clean, modern, and responsive. One noticeable improvement is the dedicated zoom control, making it easier to switch between focal lengths and adjust zoom levels quickly while filming. The dual camera setup allows users to move from the wide 20mm view to a tighter telephoto perspective almost instantly. DJI also claims enhanced hybrid zoom capabilities, making it easier to capture distant subjects without physically moving closer. Comparing it to previous generations, the Pocket 4 Pro is slightly larger than both the Pocket 3 and the standard Pocket 4. This increase in size is understandable, given the addition of the second camera module and upgraded internal hardware. Despite being larger, the camera still feels remarkably compact and portable. It easily fits into a pocket or small bag, preserving the convenience that made the Pocket series so popular in the first place. Overall, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro looks like a significant upgrade. With its larger sensor, versatile dual camera system, improved controls, expanded accessory support, and signature compact design, it appears ready to become one of DJI's most capable pocket-sized cameras yet.